Our daily dose for today is love one another and help one another. In John 13 verse 34 to 35, a new command I give you, love one another as I have loved you. By this everyone will know that you are my disciples, sabi po ni Jesus. Jesus command us na magmahalan po tayo sa bawat isa, not a mere feeling but through our action. So, pamigitan po nito, ma-reflect po natin ang pagmamahal ng Panginoon. Pakita po natin yung selfishness, humility, at saka kindness. So, we should care for each other regardless po sa mga differences na meron po tayo. So, however, sa Pilipinas po ngayon, especially sa ating politics, we see the opposite. No? Instead na magtulungan po sila, they destroy each other. So, in our actions, let us reflect God's love and let us be the agent of peace and unity. So, ang pagmamahal po, yun po yung tulay na mag-unite po sa atin. And let's build that bridge with every act of kindness and every moment of grace. So, God bless po.